We all want to look attractive, and that too real quick. But is it possible, or does it even matter? Well, the short answer is yes, and it varies from person to person. And yes, of course, it is possible. How? Let's find out. In my opinion, there are 7 most effective ways to look attractive and appeal to the even most inert person that you have seen in your life. And that starts with you, your demeanor, because that forms an impression about you even before you open your mouth. And that impression can sometimes be very difficult to roll back. And for that, you need to make sure that number 1, your grooming game is in check. Nothing turns a girl off more than a shabby looking or an unmaintained face. Let's take your hair for example. Comb it, maintain it. It doesn't have to be the most stylish hair, but whatever you have, keep it clean, neat and tidy. If you don't want to spend hours behind fixing your hair, choose a hairstyle that requires minimum maintenance. If you have a facial hair, line it up, clean up the edges on the neck and on the cheeks, and trim it up, depending on whether you want a stubble or you want to have a beard. In case you want to go for a beard, make sure that you shape it up in such a way that it doesn't look like a bush left unchecked for long. Trim and cut your nasal hairs and hairs on your ears if any, and do not forget to clean up and cut your fingernails. Number 2, maintain a personal hygiene and some basic sanity. Take shower daily, no excuses. Wash your face 3 times in a day and brush your teeth at least twice a day, every day. And do not forget to clean your tongue. Remember, bad breath can kill your game with the precision of a ninja warrior. Take care of your body odor and always try to smell fresh, which brings us to point number 3, that is wear a perfume with a nice and a gentle fragrance. That doesn't mean that you need to bathe in your perfume. You see, contrary to whatever you believe, too much or too strong perfume can sometimes send wrong signal to people. They might think that there is something fishy, something that you are trying to hide by overdoing your perfume thing. So you see, 3 or 4 squirts are all that you need. One here, a couple on your neck, or maybe 1 on your neck and 1 on your wrist, and that's it. You're done with it. You don't want to burn people's nasal cavity with the smell of your perfume. Trust me. Wear clothes that are neat and clean, and most importantly, that makes you feel comfortable. Understand this: when you're comfortable inside, you look confident outside. Number 4, grow and maintain some kind of facial hair, and try to change your looks from time to time. There is no need to do over experimenting with this though, but whatever hair you grow, try to keep it well maintained, or else going clean shaved will always be an option. Although researchers have shown that women, or most of the women, like men with some kind of facial hair, but I believe there will always be someone who will like, understand and appreciate whatever you have or whatever you're trying to do. So there is absolutely no need to lose your good night's sleep over this. Number 5 is look affirmative. There is nothing to feel shy about. Meet and greet people with open and confident body language. And when you do meet them, do not fold your hands or cross your legs. Chin up and look into the eyes when you're talking to someone, and try to maintain eye contact for as long as you can. Then break it and again repeat the same process. If you're talking to a stranger or you're about to talk to a stranger, always do that with a smile. Because if you look too serious, that puts the opposite person immediately into defensive mode, and that doesn't make you look any attractive. Another mistake that us men often make, and that is number 6, which is an impulsive behavior in front of a stranger or someone who is very special in your life. It is the fear and the discomfort of making a wrong move or talk something that is not very pleasant by mistake that makes you feel nervous and fidgety. I mean, come on, they're normal people and they won't bite you if you make a couple of wrong moves. Understand this. It's okay to fumble and not look your absolute best. Anybody can have a bad day, even the person opposite to you. And it is this notion that cushions your fear of failure and makes you feel and look more confident. Let's take a situation where you're looking at a girl, but she isn't looking at you. And all of a sudden she turns towards you and you straight away look away. Is there a single guy who hasn't been into a situation like this ever in his life? Okay, so what do you do instead? In my opinion, there is nothing wrong in checking each other out. And in the process, if you do make an eye contact, then I would suggest maintain that eye contact for at least 3 seconds and then gently look away with a smirk in your face. That's exactly, my friends, is what that gets her into thinking about you. Last but not least, number 7 is be gentle and kind to other people. It's your behavior that says a lot about you, and girls particularly have a knack of picking you up from your behavior towards other people. There is absolutely no credit in being rude and selfish or playing ignorant. It doesn't make you look cool. And this entire thing that girls do love and like badass dude with a rough demeanor is a complete lie and a cooked up story. Because even they do understand that if you can't treat others with empathy today, then a day will come when you will not spare her either. Ask yourself a question. Would you yourself want to get associated with such a person? Having said that all, looking attractive is relative. Someone may find something very attractive which might not be of much value to somebody else. It is much like the importance of an iPhone to someone who sells his merchandise online, and then to someone who lives off-grid and has decided to spend his entire life without electricity peacefully in a jungle. So do whatever you can or whatever you want to impress someone, but never ever forget this. At the end of the day, it's you who are the most important person in your life. Peace.